welcome to Cherry Pop Productions! Father's Day is coming! Have you prepared any Father's Day gifts? If you haven't, that's okay. I'll show you 5 DIY Father's Day gifts ideas that you can make at home. Let's get started! The first DIY Father's Day gifts idea is a shirt card. Look at it. And it's so easy to make. All we need is some colorful paper, markers, scissors, and glue. First, get your colored paper. I'm gonna pick pink and blue. First, fold the paper in half. See, I folded like this. Next, open the paper up again. Next, fold the side to the center here. See, I folded like this. Next, turn the paper and then fold the top part here. Fold about 1 inch. Next, get your scissors and cut here and here. We need to cut it halfway to the center line. Here's the center line. Next, turn the paper to the folded side. After that, fold these corners to the center here. Look, we made a collar. Next, take your bottom part and fold it right here. Look, we have a shirt. All we need now is the sleeve. To do that, open it up again and fold out the bottom part. It should be folded like this. All we need now is to fold it again. Ta-da! Before that, we need to glue this part here. Now you can decorate the shirt however you like. For me, I'll be using a pink paper to make a bow tie and a pocket. I made a bow tie and a pocket. Time to stick it on the shirt. Next, get your note and stick it in the shirt. Ta-da! All done! Look, I made another one too. It says, I love my dad. For the second DIY Father's Day gifts, we're gonna make stress ball. To make this easy DIY stress ball, all you need is water, balloon, a chopstick for mixing and stirring, cornstarch, and a funnel. I made this from a bottle. First, take your balloon and put it in the funnel, like this. Next, take your water and pour a little bit. Next, put in the cornstarch. keep adding the cornstarch until the balloon is filled up. Don't forget to keep mixing the cornstarch in the balloon. If it gets too hard, add a little bit more water. It's so squishy. Once the balloon is filled up, pull it out from the funnel. Then tie the balloon. See? This is how it looks like. Since this is for my dad, I'm gonna decorate it with a marker. I'm gonna draw a face. Ta-da! All done. It's so squishy. I love this stress ball so much. I even made one for myself.
I want you.
For the third DIY Father's Day gifts idea, keychain. We're gonna need foam paper, some markers, scissors, and a glue gun. First, get your foam paper and draw a design that you like. I'm gonna draw a necktie. Next, cut out your design. Look! Next, we need a second one. Place your design on the foam paper and trace it out. Next, cut it out. Here's the traced out designs. Make sure to leave out this extra part for the keychain. Next, if you have a key ring, then put it like this. Next, get your glue gun and glue it here. Be sure to ask an adult to help you with the glue gun. Next, glue this part here and stick it together. Look! This DIY keychain idea is awesome. You can design it any way you like. I made two more. I made a heart shape and it says, I love Dad. And this one is perfect if your dad loves fishing. For the fourth DIY Father's Day gifts idea, DIY Father's Day mugs! All you need is some colored marker, acrylic paint, and plain white mugs. First, take your mug and design it any way you like. You can use colored marker or acrylic paint. For me, I'll be using black color marker. And a red marker. I'll also be using some acrylic paint. Instead of a brush, I'll be using my fingers instead. Look at it, it's done. Isn't it pretty? That was so fun. I want to make another one. I'm gonna use pink and blue. It's done! Next, put these mugs in the oven for 10 minutes to harden the paint. Be sure to let it cool. For the 5th DIY Father's Day gifts idea, trophy! Ooh. All you need is a clean plastic bottle, scissors, gold glitter, paintbrush, and clear glue, and a glue gun. First, ask an adult to help you cut right here. Mommy! Look! We cut out the bottom part too. Be sure to cut out 2 long strips for the trophy handle. Next, take your glue gun and glue it here. I'm gonna ask my mommy. Mommy! Take your 2 strips and glue it here. Look, it's a transparent trophy. Next, paint the inside with glue and then sprinkle glitter inside. After that, pour glitter in it. My favorite part. Wow, it's so glittery. Look, it's so pretty and glittery. Now repeat the same thing on the bottom. Ta-da! It's done! You can also put glitter on the handle if you want. Next, you can write a note on it or stick a note on it. I made this one. It's done! Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and inspired you for DIY Father's Day gifts. I really enjoyed making this video for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out my DIY Mother's Day gifts idea video. Check it out. The link is in the description below. This is what I made in that video. It's a shaker card. Find out how to make this in the video. You can incorporate some of the ideas for Father's Day. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to comment below which these DIY gifts you would like to make for Father's Day. My favorite one is the mug and the stress ball. How about you? Which one's your favorite? Don't forget to subscribe. I'm all covered in glitter. Bye! See you in my next video.